Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. Today we are going to write a program, simple Python program for calculator using functions. So let's start with it. With def keyword we can initialize a function. Inside def add this thing. This function will accept two parameters a and b. Simply return the function a plus b. Similarly for subtract we can use def multiply. Here also we will use the same a comma b and return star b. Def division. For division, if we divide by a divided by b and b equals to 0, then it will throw an exception. So we'll return like if b equals to 0 and return, simply we can return string as well. Divisor count b 0, and then no need to write else, it will simply return a by b. It will return a float value. Then we will initialize main function. Here we will take the input input. Similarly we will take the b also. So enter will be as well. Also we need to take the operation also. Operation will define like op and input enter operation. Currently we are supporting only 4 operations, so we can say plus minus star this for division. Now we will check the operation, and accordingly we will call the functions. So if op equals to plus, and then result will be add a comma b. And if op equals to minus, then result equals to sub a comma b. And similarly for multiplication also we need to define one function. and for division also. Also we can use elif as well if we want to define an invalid operator also. So if we use elif, so we can put one else condition if operand is not matching. We'll define one else condition. Result equals to invalid operand, and at last we can print the result. Now to call this one, if name equals to main call main function here, we can run directly by here, run main, enter value of a, we put one operand, then b2 operand, we can select anything, so it will be like I'll go with plus, and it given 3 again. So it is one time execution only. If you want to do it like iteratively interactive console, so we can use while loop. Okay, we can put this whole code into while true. Okay, then one user input to break the loop. Ask user like whether we want to proceed next or not. So we can go with this. Want to calculate another number, then it will come like we can give two options, yes, no, and if user field not equals to y, then we can break. Now if we run, enter value of a 2, 5, and then if you want to go with plus, then 7. If you want to proceed, yes, and then again we can go for 3, 0, and if we use divide, then it will say divisor cannot be 0, and we don't want to proceed, and this will be n, and yes, that's it for today. Thanks everyone.